There's something down if you jump out the fire escape. Also, what the fuck is this way? Oh, nothing.
Oh! Come here,
Russian.
bitch.
Guys, don't tempt it.
Alright, I'm out.
It's my flashlight now, bitch.
Downstairs cleared. What the fuck? Neil, there's something!
What?
Hello?
I'm here. What do you mean? What do you mean?
There, the eyeball creature was on our left.
Oh, fuck. Oh, over the left.
Oh, shit. Oh!
Oh, fucking me!
Alright, well, Patrick's already on a roll. He got fucking
I got a big gear immediately.
That. No, there's a nasty.
What?
There's a spider, I think. I saw something with legs over in front.
That's fine.
No,
I got
it's
bottles.
not.
It's upstairs. It's upstairs.
Open the door!
That's what I said. No, I said
Get
that.
outside! Get outside!
I got it.
Fucking can't believe he didn't listen to me. Like, what the fuck is wrong with him?
Okay. I'm gonna lead it upstairs.
No, it's not there anymore. It's not there.
It's not there?
Crouch. Apparently, if you startle it, it'll be frozen.
That's a fucking sentry gun.
We take it?
No, don't get near it, guys.
Right next to you. Right next to you.
The sentry does not look like it's active.
It's
moving.
Patrick. I think
But,
it's
like-
very active.
All right, next time it moves, we got it. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I don't have a light.
I can't see. Something's coming after me. I can't
Where's
see
the
it.
light? Neil,
I
where's
don't
the
know.
light?
It's dead. It's dead. Run.
Oh. Where's the exit?
Over here.
Ah, it got me! What?
Over here.
It's by me!
There's a... We're dead. There's a fucking gelatinous ooze.
Damn, bro. We should have
Turned around!
Yeah.
I don't know why you guys didn't.
You said you didn't want to!
Found an engine.
Nice.
Said no. What? Jalen?
Did he fall?
He fell. He so fucking fell.
How do you know?
Because let me put it this way. I heard him scream and then it went faint.
Oh, there's a mine!
There's a-
Oh, ooze! Ah!
Oh shit! No wait! I think it's blocked my. Oh my god! No! Wait, hold on! No wait! No! Hang on, guys! I can do.
My fucking god. Holy shit.
Breaker? Hey, boss man, we're coming in with some bad news. Don't worry though, it'll be alright.
On God.
We'll work hard next time. For real. Don't worry, I'll talk to him, guys. I'll talk to him.
Benson's gonna be pissed. He fucking died.
Oh my god, are you fucking serious?
Into the water.
Oh my god.
Excuse me, sir.
I'm going out alone.
We need a. Wait! Don't leave me. The fuck, man? Hey, I want to talk to your manager.
That was insane. Neil.
Wait, don't leave me.
What the fuck is that?
Back up.
What
That's
the
what.
fuck?
I'm running.
Oh fuck! Fuck! Where are you guys? Where are you guys?
I'm over here.
It's running! It's chasing me!
Maybe they're still alive. Oh,
I made it!
fuck.
I made it out!
This is fucking-
Definitely doesn't look like it.
Hey.
That thing's right there. It's a half. It's called a half. We can go back to the ship to figure out what it is.
Hey, buddy. You good?
There's something else running! There's
What?
something...
What?
What the fuck was that running
It
thing?
was the spider. It was a giant ass motherfucking spider.
Oh, he's alive!
What the fuck?
Gage?
Gage?
Gage! Gage!
Gage?
I think he may be...
Wait, where are you?
I'm up here. I'm
Where-
up here. Here, Gage. Oh my God. You fucking.
Well, you're alive! Holy shit!
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.
How do I know when there's none left?
Oh yeah. It'll shake empty. Oh
Is the
yeah.
music playing?
No.
No? Everything's green though.
Everything's green.
Oh fuck. It's getting really.
Hey man.
Danger level 90. Highly aggressive.
90?
Yeah. Rubbery quality. They eat their bottom legs in order to escape the shell of their hatched egg. Functional being with arms and front legs very strong. Neil's got a flashlight. Like, oh, did I move it backwards?
What the fuck? Wait, hold on. Don't be like cockroaches. I think it was just me. Are you still in front of me?
Yeah, I'm right up here. There's something here. I'm on. No! He's dead!
Go! Get the fuck out of here!
He's already dead.
Oh my God, Gage.
Down here.
Fucking. Oh, fuck.
What?
There's a bug in the fog. Just keep moving, boys. Don't even acknowledge. Oh, fuck! Run!
Oh, fuck!
You guys alive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, we need to get out of here. I got this fucking laughing toy that won't shut the fuck up.
This door's locked. Did we have a lock there?
What the fuck?
It's a fucking robot.
Wait, it's a toy, yeah. What do you want from it?
Fuck. We gotta bake the slime into this far room then. Fucking shutting that thing up. Oh, Neil. If it doesn't go up. Okay, it's still coming after us, right?
It's coming
No,
after
it's
me.
going after you. Wait,
Damn it!
Back up. See shit. Okay. Run to the. Go.
Wait.
Okay, we're
Close the
good.
door!
Fuck. It's gone.
Fuck, I can't see Gage! Gage, I can't see!
I'm dead, guys. I'm dead.
Fuck. This way, I think. I have no idea where we're going. What is this?
Look at it. Stare at it. Gage, I need you to direct me.
Okay, back it up. Okay, we're going upstairs. We made it.
Go quickly!
No!
On the left.
What did you guys pick up?
What the fuck?
But there is something big outside.
Oh, fuck. That didn't work.
Giant by the ship. Oh, he's on your guys' left.
Yeah.
Okay. Book it at full speed, Gage.
Come on, get in! Close it!
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Oh, dude, propane.
Propane.
Oh!
Oh, dude, bottles.
There's stuff.
We're just fucking teaming. Don't tell Gage, but I think we're just perfect.
We already got a shit ton of loot.
Look at
Sheet
that.
metal?
Look at that. Holy shit. How could this go wrong?
Okay, shut up. Don't fucking say that.
There is a red dot.
Oh, fuck! The bug!
Where?
I don't know, it just jumped out,
Jesus Christ. Okay, fuck me.
It's after me!
I think we're being...
Nice. There's another bug!
It's okay, just ignore it.
Help me!
It's okay, just ignore it.
What is happening? What is happening?
Oh my god, I thought ignoring it was a good idea. It was not.
It breaks through doors? Fuck. It jumps across shit.
Neil, I'm not gonna make it! I'm stuck up here! It's stuck up here! Goodbye.
No! Patrick! Patrick!
Fine.
Cool. Glad to see that. Nothing bad happen from this.
Get out, get out.
Can I talk to you on my, walkie on the monitor? There's something coming towards you right now, Neil.
It just went right fucking past me.
Where did Gage go?
He's outside. Fuck!
The fuck is that? Oh, it's a cat.
If an entity has come in contact with a crew member, please refrain from immediate self-defense. Instead, ask the crew member the following. Is the entity being aggressive? Are you injured? Do you need assistance? If the answer to all of these questions is yes, you begin your self-defense measures. If the crew member is stressed, start a question like, how was your day? Thank you for your cooperation and happy travels.
What the fuck is that? There's a creature!
You run so goofy in this fucking game.
Oh, he already made it. Okay. It's kind of ominous just standing up there.
Yeah. Alright, we're going right.
Somebody said about something about a birthday party with ice cream.
Oh, that's a mine!
I got you, buddy! I got you, bud! We're bringing him home! We're bringing him home!
Oh my god, dude, I'm fucking crying.
Fuck, how do I grab the ladder? Oh, my hands are full!
Oh my fucking god.
Holy shit!
I can't fucking.
You gotta hold the. You gotta grab the ladder.
Oh my fucking god.